Feet are hip width apart, internally rotating one foot in and touching the inner arch of the other, relaxing the whole body. Moving the pelvis from south to north by rocking it back and forth, lengthening the lower spine, arching the lower spine, lengthening the lower spine, arching the lower spine, finding a rhythm that matches your breath. You don't have to contract too much the muscles of the glutes or the core. You want to find an organic movement back and forth from north to south. Then we're going to go from east to west now. And again, organic movement, maybe rolling the head from side to side, will bring more pleasure in that lateral motion of the pelvis from one side to the other. Breathe. Then linking those two movements into going around the compass, north, east, south, west, or the other way around. It doesn't have to feel like a perfect circle at all, but you want to, again, trying to reach for an organic movement linked. And then you can start that movement on the other side and noticing the differences of sensation between one side and the other. The breath is natural and easy. Don't hold your breath back. Noticing how the neck and the head are moving accordingly to how your pelvis moves. Then back to center for a couple of deep breaths, resting and integrating what you just did. Then gently transitioning to the side and to seated. I like to use a blanket to prop up my sitting bones. So reach any props that you can find and make yourself comfortable. We're going to go into a seated butterfly pose with bringing soles of the feet together. I'm making sure my spine is nice and straight and my shoulders are above my pelvis. I'm starting to deepen my breath and invite the knees to gently and gradually drop towards the ground, bringing maybe hands behind the thighs so that you can prop up your nice elegant spine. Keep on breathing and inviting the muscles to soften. Then gently with your hands, helping the knees back together and taking a moment there before you transition into a pinwheel position. Then you're going to take your leg a little bit more away and activate your foot, the center of your chest towards your knee, framing that front knee with your fingertips and your hands. Nice straight back. It's a proud half pigeon. Maybe you like to explore going a little lower, closer to the ground. Keep on supporting your stretch with your breath. You can use your hands to prop up your head or a blanket. Any of the stages of this position that honors your body. Don't force anything, and sending your breath where you feel the stretch. You might notice some stretches into the hips, into the glute area, the SI joint. Steady breathing. Whenever you feel ready, you can come back to Proud Pigeon and then gently switch leg. Find a comfortable pinwheel position and then open slightly the foot that is activated. Center of the chest towards the knee, framing that front knee with your arms. Nice straight back. Starting position into a proud half pigeon. And you might want to stay right there. Or maybe on that side, you can come a little closer to the ground. Always make sure to honor what feels right to your body. And sustain any stretches that you do with your breath. Keeping your foot activated to protect your front knee, even if you're relaxing the whole body to the pull of gravity. The more you're breathing, the more the sensations of stretch are fading away. And gently raising yourself back up to center.